At the Jeep Dodge Chrysler dealership. Got some nice looking Jeeps. They got this one, which I'm not a fan of because I think the bed looks too long in the back. They should have shortened it just a little bit, like to right there. That looks too long. But I walk around to look at the cars and they took mine in. I don't see any. Pretty sure this is an electric Wagoneer. Let's look. Nice gas. This is the new Grand Cherokee, the white and black. It's a limited. I think that's nice. It's probably my favorite one so far I've seen on the lot. Brand new, still on the lot. It's 53,000 brand new. This is 53,000 brand new. Taking the Dodge or the Jeep. Let me know in the comments you want the Dodge or the Jeep, same price. The electric Wagoneer right here. $70,000. That's crazy. 70,000. 70,000 bucks. No, thank you. All right, shouldn't be much longer now. Gonna have to do a part 2 because we're running out of space.